25 dollars 8 cents. So this is so a dozen of course is a 12, and here we'll have uh, 25 dollars 80 cents, and this is another clue. Customs examiners do say, well, if you know the online tool itself, it does provide for the it does have a built-in calculator in place. Another reason for you to go back and make sure you become familiar with the system itself before you come to the exam. But 2580, um, I mean, most of us can do this in the heads, but because our heads will be so overwhelmed with timekeeping and with other information, bring a calculator, simple calculator, which is on the side. Customs do allow it. Nothing mathematical, no smart calculators like within the phones or some stuff like that. Just bring a simple calculator and that will do. So 2518 and uh, uh, is the cost that customs examiners tell us to consider, and this means that this particular question is not our guy. So now that means it is valued over 175 per dozen, simply because we know it's $25.80. So we can eliminate 30 and focus now on the next level comparison, right? And the next level comparison will be, is it, so it's going to be here, it's going to be here, and the question will be, is it valued over $30 per dozen, or is it not? So over $30 or other? Over $30 or not? Well, we know it's not over $30. So we take 30 out uh, because of the previous level analysis, and now we can take 60 out because it is valued $25.80 per dozen. So the only answer that remains standing is uh, the one that refers to the other. And that means that answer choice E. Oh, I'm sorry, no, 80. We eliminate 8214. Answer choice D, 82130090 is the question, is the correct answer choice for this particular question.